Okay, so this morning, because we have to clean the pen again in their room, these guys are going to be living room children. Hi, guys. You got a little pie box. Of course, they just want to follow me around. And they think that all the other dogs that are mulling around out here should nurse them or something. And of course, Milk Wagon Fanny is out here. Fanny, say hi. Yes, you gonna be the Milk Wagon? Come on, let's put you in there. Come on, Mama Milk Wagon. Go, Fanny, go. There we go. There's the Mama Milk Wagon in with her babies. Of course, they're not her babies, but she says, I'll take care of them. I will take care of them. Oh, and you think your grandma should nurse you, I guess.